Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will be making a very simple paneer recipe where the paneer is stewed in a coconut milk gravy along with vegetables. It is a bit different from the usual spicy paneer recipes but extremely satisfying and delicious. So let's get started. Peel and chop one large potato. Then peel and chop 2 carrots. You can take any vegetables of your choice like green beans, cauliflower, but do not use eggplant or okra for this recipe. Here I grated some ginger. You need about 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. After grating ginger, I usually squeeze out the juice from the fibers that are left after grating. Chop finely 1 large onion along with a green chilli. Today I am using my handy dandy mini food processor to speed up everything. Heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Once your oil turns hot, add cinnamon stick, about 8 green cardamoms, the tips of which I always crack open before adding to the oil, and about 6 to 7 cloves. Fry them for a few seconds till they are fragrant. Then add the chopped onions. Fry on medium-high heat till the moisture from the onions evaporate and oil starts leaving the sides. Then add the grated ginger. Here I have taken a large stem of curry leaves. I will be using the leaves. Stir for a few seconds. I think I need a little more oil, so I added about a teaspoon of it. To it I added little red chili powder and mixed it with the onions. Next I added some coarsely crushed black pepper. Here I have taken about 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Stir it very well and from this add just a 1/4 cup. Stir till the coconut milk thickens up like this. Then add the potatoes and carrots. Mix till the vegetables get well coated with the thick coconut milk. Now add salt. Add about half a cup of hot water. When it comes up to a boil, cover it for about 8 minutes. Now those of you living in the US, I know it is very hard to get curry leaves. You get them only at the Indian grocery stores or some Asian markets and they are quite expensive. But be on the lookout at your Indian grocery store. Sometimes they sell small curry plants in pots. I bought one a few years back from my Indian grocery store. It was just 3 to 4 inches in height when I bought it. You can keep them on a sunny spot on your windowsill or plant it in a pot. My curry plant stays inside my home the whole winter. Then again I bring it out during springtime after the last frost. Let's now see what's happening in that pan. The potatoes are about 80% done. Now I will add the paneer. Add salt and mix well. Those of you who have been following me for a while now know that I like to add salt in layers while cooking so that all the elements get well seasoned. Now add the remaining coconut milk. Here I have taken a heaped teaspoon of brown sugar. You can even use jaggery or plain regular sugar. I added about half a cup of hot water in my coconut milk container to wash off any remaining coconut milk. Then I added little Kashmiri red chili powder. This will turn the gravy slightly orange in color. Once the gravy comes up to a boil, cover it on low heat for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I chopped some red jalapenos. This is totally optional. I happen to grow some, so I am using them, and it gives a nice color to the dish as well. In between, just give a stir and add the jalapenos and cover again. The potatoes have turned tender to my satisfaction. Now do a taste test and adjust the seasoning. I felt it needed more salt. Then I added few more curry leaves and a dash of lime juice. Then cover for 2 more minutes. This paneer stew goes very well with rice and roti or even bread. Please check out my other recipes as well, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.